Hey guys, so you guys looking for a simple yet delicious meal for this evening? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. It's right here. 100% tomatoes, no additives, no preservatives, and it's all natural. The Barilla sauce right here, just as delicious as it should be. All you have to do is simply cook the pasta as per instruction. Simmer the bolognese sauce. It already has beef, pork, and real vegetables, so you do not need to add anything else. Drain the pasta 1 minute before the suggested time. Toss on the sauce and mix all together. Boom! There you have it, 100% authentic Italian dish, ready in 15 minutes. If you have any questions or comments, comment below and follow Barilla Philippines on Facebook.